Math Lesson 40. Thanks for joining us for our math lesson. Can everyone say hello? Hello. Great. Let's do our meditation. Sit in your chair, nice and comfortable. That's right. We're going to think about our heart center. How are we going to find it? We're going to find it with 2 fingers. Left hand in our lap. Very good. And we're going to close our eyes. And we're just going to relax for a few minutes. When you feel that heartbeat, or boom, 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 move your right hand into your lap. Keep your mind on your heart center. Let's end our meditation with 3 deep breaths together. 1, 2, and 3. Good. Slowly start to wiggle your toes. Slowly start to wiggle your fingers. Slowly open your eyes and slowly stand up. Everybody stand up. Yeah, it is small. Okay, let's stretch our arms up high over our head. Get a little bit taller on your toes. Good. Make your arms into a T so we can touch our toes. Good job. And then make your back flat. Swing your monkey arms. If you want to walk like a monkey, you can walk like a monkey. Oh. Very nice. Let's stand up nice and tall. Let's do it again. Let's stretch our arms up high in the sky. Stretch all 10 fingers out. Make them into a ball. Stretch them out. Let's make our arms into a T so we can touch our toes. Good job. Touch your toes. Hello. Touch your toes and then make your back flat so you can swing your monkey arms. There we go. Swing those monkey arms. And when you're finished, stand up nice and tall. Let's turn to our neighbor. Tell our neighbor hello.
Hello.
Tell your neighbor hello with the other hand. Give your neighbor a high five. Give your neighbor another high five. Shake your neighbor's hand. Shake your neighbor's other hand and say good morning. Good job. Shake two hands at the same time with your neighbor. Good job. Hold one hand with your neighbor's hand. Do a spin. Good job. We're going to practice growing. So we're going to practice growing. Get into a small little ball. I see you. Okay, let's practice growing. Grow a little bit more and grow. Good job. Let's do it again. Get into a small little ball. I see you. I see you. Okay. We're going to grow a little. We're going to grow a little bit. And we're going to grow. Good job. One more time. We're going to get into a small little ball. And we're going to grow a little bit. Grow a little bit more. And grow. Good job, my friends. Okay, one more time. Small little ball. Small little ball. And we're going to grow a little bit. Grow a little bit more. And grow. Good job. Let's spin around 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Woo. All right, everybody take a seat. In this lesson, we're going to be practicing addition with 3-digit numbers, and we're going to be regrouping or carrying. So let's do a few examples on the board just to get a little warm up, and then we'll move on to our PowerPoint and learn how we regroup with addition. Okay, let's do a few practice problems. We're going to use some bigger numbers, so I need your help. 45 plus 23. So we first, good job. Do you look at your ones place first?
No.
We always want to look at our ones place first. 8. Good job. And 4 plus 2? 6. Good job. Remember, with our addition or our subtraction, we always want to look at our ones place first. It's going to be very important later on. So even if it looks like an easy problem, you always look at your ones place first, okay? Let's take a look at a couple more. We will have 61 plus 33. Look at our ones place first.
94.
Good job. So our ones place first. 1 plus 3.
Equals 4.
Yeah, it equals 4. And 6 plus 3? Equals 9. Great job.
94.
And that's 94 altogether. You're right. Okay, let's try another one.
37.
Plus.
52.
Look at our ones place first.
Equals 89.
Good job. So first we're going to look at our ones. 2 plus 7
Equals 9.
equals 9. And 3 plus 5
Equals 8.
equals 8. Good job. Our whole answer?
Equals 89.
89. Great job. Great job.
14.
14 plus 55. So we want to look at our ones place first. What is 4 plus 5? 9. And 1 plus 5 is 6. Our whole answer, 69. Good job. If we're doing subtraction or addition, we always look at that ones place first, okay? We never look at our tens place or our hundreds place first. Always look at this ones place first. Let's try some practice with some 3-digit numbers, some numbers that have a ones, and a hundreds place. So let's try 341 plus 216. 16. Okay, guys, hold on, stop. We're going to start with our ones place. We're always going to start with our ones place. Even if we think we can look at it this way, we always want to start with our ones place, and we'll find out why that's very important today. So 1 plus 6. 7, good. 4 plus 1. 3 plus 2 is also 5. What's our whole number? Good. Yeah. 557. Good job, friends. Okay, let's look at another one. 146 plus 623. So we're looking at our ones place first. What's 6 plus 3? Equals 9. And our tens place? Very good. And our hundreds place? Great job. 769 is our whole answer. Great job. Okay. 473 plus 314. Good. Are we looking at our tens place first?
No.
What place are we looking at first? Our ones place. 3 plus 4? Good job. 7 plus 1? And our hundreds place, 4 plus 3? 7. And our whole answer is 787. Good job. I want you to take a look at one thing really fast. Do you remember doing our subtraction to check our addition? It was a while ago. So let's take a look. I want to show you something. In this problem, we're doing just our ones place first, right? So we have 3 plus 4 equals 7. Remember, we can check our addition by using subtraction. So let's see. 7 minus 4. What is 7 minus 4? Equals 3. What's 8 minus 1? Equals 7. What's 7 minus 3? Equals 4. So that's a little way we can check our work too if we're not sure if we have the right answer. Let's look over here. Do the same thing. 9 minus 3. What's 9 minus 3? Is there a 6 right here? Yeah. What's 6 minus 2? Is that a 4? Yeah. What's 7 minus 6? Equals 1. Is that a 1? Yeah. So that's an easy way we can check if we're not sure if we got the right answer. Let's check over here. What's 7 minus 6? Equals 1. And 5 minus 1? Is that a 4? All right. 5 minus 2? Is that a 3? All right, we are good. Let's do a few more problems and we'll move on to our PowerPoint. Let's look at 537 plus 342. So we're looking at our ones place first. 7 plus 2? 3 plus 4? 5 plus 3?
Equal 8.
Good job. What's our whole answer?
879.
879. Great job.
879.
879. So we say 879. Good. Let's do 452. 452 plus 336. Okay, we're looking at our ones place first. J plus 6.
8.
Good job. 5 plus 3 equals 8. 4 plus 3. 7. Good job. Good job. 788. Good. Let's check our answers to make sure. So let's see. What's 8 minus 6? We have a 2 here? Yes, we do. What's 8 minus 3? Do we have a 5 here? Yes, we do. 7 minus 3? And what's this number? 4. We are good to go. Okay, let's do one more. Let's do one more. You want to use 700? Okay, 746 plus 233. 6 plus 3? Good. 4 plus 3? 7. That's okay. 7 plus 2? Equals 9. Let's double check real quick. 9 minus 3, what's that?
6.
We've got a 6. 7 minus 3, what's that?
4.
We've got a 4. And 9 minus 2? Equals 7. We know we are correct. What's our whole answer right here?
179.
Yeah, 979. Good. Let's take a look at our PowerPoint because we are going to find out how to add with regrouping. Do a quick review about our cubes. That's right. How many cubes on this side?
10.
How many are in this long strip? 10. Is that the same number? Same number here? Same number here. Okay, let's check if we're not sure. Count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, we've got 10 on our left side. Let's count them in this strip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We've got 10 on our left and 10 on our right. Is that the same number?
Little cube and long.
Yeah. Some are in these little separate cubes and some are in this long strip. Do they look the same?
No.
No. They look a little bit different, but they're the same number. That's okay. Let's take a look for our hundreds. So we know how many little cubes are in these strips?
10.
10. Yeah. We know there are 10 of these little tiny cubes in each one of these long strips.
10, 20, 30, 40,
Yeah.
60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
That's right. So we know by counting by tens that we have 100 on our left side. How many are over here on our right side? Yeah, there's 100 because we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Do they look the same?
Yeah. No.
They look a little different. They look a little different, and that's okay, but it's the same number because we know we have 10 strips of 10, and then we have 10 strips of 10 just smashed all together. So it's easy for us to see and think about. So we have 10 on this side and 10 on this side of 10s. So we know we have 100 here and 100 here. Okay, let's look at some addition problems. Addition problems with those cubes. So we're going to build the number 123. Good. So let's see. 22s. I'm sorry. sorry, how many tens?
2.
2. And how many hundreds?
1.
Good. For 235, how many ones are we going to have?
5.
5. How many tens?
3.
3. How many hundreds?
2.
2. Good. And we're going to put those all together. We're going to put our ones together. 3 plus 5 is how many ones? 8. 2 plus 3 is how many tens? 5. And 1 plus 2 is how many hundreds? 3.
358.
Good job. 358. Is this 358 right here?
Yeah.
Yeah, we have 1, 2, 3 hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ones. We are good to go. Okay. Let's take a look at this problem. 12 plus 29. Ooh, good job. Let's take a look and see how we can do that. So first we're going to make our 12. We have 1 10. And how many ones? How many ones do we have in 12?
2.
2. And we're going to add it to 29. So we have 2 tens. And how many ones?
9.
9 ones. So we're going to add those together. Are we going to add our ones or our tens first?
1 foot.
We always add our ones first. Good job. So we're going to put all of our ones together. 2 plus 9. What's 2 plus 9?
11.
It's 11. Do we have 11 little cubes right here? Yes, we do. And remember, we can change 10 of these little cubes and put them all together to look like this. Remember that? Now they all look a little bit different, but is there still 11 right here? Yeah. So now we're going to add our tens. 1 plus 2 is how many more tens? 3. We have 3. So now we are going to count up everything together. First our ones. How many ones? 1, 1. And how many tens?
4.
1, 2, 3, 4. So our answer is 41. Good job. Good job. Let's take a look at this problem. It's got some bigger numbers.
12.
312 plus
229.
plus 229. Let's make it with our little cubes. How many ones are we going to have for 312? 2. How many tens?
1.
1. How many hundreds?
3.
3. There they are. And we're going to make our 229. How many ones?
9.
9 ones. How many tens?
2.
2. How many hundreds?
2.
Great job. So remember, are we adding our hundreds or our tens or our ones first?
1.
Ones. We're always going to add or subtract our ones place first. Okay, so remember we do our ones place first. And we have the same as last time. What is 2 plus 9? What's 2 plus 9? 11. So we put our 2 and our 9 together. We have 11 little cubes. Can we change these 10 cubes into a long strip?
Yes.
Yes, we can. Let's do it. We're going to change those to a long strip. It's a little bit easier for us to look at. Okay, what are we doing next? Adding our hundreds or our tens?
10.
We're going to add our tens. That's right. We're going to add our tens. So 1 plus 2 is how many tens to put here?
3.
3 tens. And now we're going to look at which place? Ha, ha.
100.
Hundreds. So 3 plus 2, how many hundreds will go here?
5.
5 hundreds, that is right. 5 hundreds, there they are. Okay, let's add them all up. How many ones do we have?
541.
Just 1. How many tens do we have?
3. 4.
1. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many hundreds?
1.
Come on. Yeah, we have 500s right here in yellow. So 541 is our answer. Good job. Okay, so remember we just want to change these little cubes to be a bar sometimes, so it looks a little bit easier for our eyes. We're going to take a look at some more addition problems just using the numbers. We're not going to use any of our cubes and our squares anymore. Let's try this problem. What number is this on top?
251.
251 plus,
64.
good job, plus 64. We don't have any number in our hundreds place. We can imagine there's a 0 there. That's right. Good. So are we looking at our hundreds place, our tens place, or our ones place first? Which one? Ones place. Good. We always start here in our ones place. 1 plus 4, what is it? Equals 5. Now we're going to look at what place? Tens or hundreds? Tens. 5 plus 6 equals 11. So watch this special trick.
50.
Let's see what we're going to do. So we have 5 plus 6. We know that is 11. We're going to put one of our ones right down here. And we're going to put one of our ones right up here. Okay. So now we're going to think 1 plus 2 for our hundreds place equals 3. Good job.
15.
Good. 315. So when we have a number that is bigger than 9, we are going to put that number, the ones digit here, and the digit that is in its tens place, we're going to move over to its neighbor and put it right on top like this. Okay? So we'll take a look at a couple examples to get the hang of that. Let's try this one. We have what number on top?
573 plus 290.
Good job. We have 573 plus 219. Which place are we going to look at first?
1.
Very good. 3 plus 9 equals 12. Great job. Can we just write a 12 down here?
No.
No. We're only going to write a 2. Great job. We're only going to write a 2 right here in our ones place. What are we going to do with the other 1? Let's see. Yeah, it's going to go right on top of its neighbor right there. So let's see how that looks. Just like this. So our 3 plus 9 is 12. We put the 2 right here in our ones place, and we put that 1 right on top of our 7. So now we're going to just add up all of our tens place just like normal, but we have to think about 3 numbers. So we're going to think 1 plus 7 plus 1.
Equal 9.
It sure does. So we can think 1 plus 7 is 8, plus 1 more equals 9. And now we can just write that 9 right here. We're good. And we're going to do our hundreds place. 5 plus 2, what is it?
7.
7. What's our whole answer?
792.
Good job. So remember, we just want to split that number if it's bigger than 9. If we have an answer that's 10, 11, 42, 57, we're going to split that answer in half. Let's try a couple more. We have 583 plus what number?
0.
What's this whole number? 240. Good. Where are we starting? Where are we starting?
1 plus
With our ones. Good. 3 plus 0. What's that?
3.
Good job. It equals 3. Okay, well, let's look at our tens place. 8 plus 4
Equal 12.
equals 12. Can I just write 12 down here?
No.
No. What number?
5.
What number can I put in my tens place?
2.
A 2. And I'm going to put that 1 right on top of the neighbor next door. So it looks like this. Great job. So for our hundreds place, we're going to add up 1 plus 5 plus 2. It does equal 8. Good job, friends. 323. Good job. I think we're getting the idea. Let's look at 251 plus 364. Let's look at our ones place first. 1 plus 4 equals 5. What's 5 plus 6? 11. Can I just write an 11 down here? No, I can't. I'm going to put a 1 here.
And 1.
And another 1 right up here. Yep. Right on its next door neighbor. So it will look like this. So add up my hundreds place for me, please.
6.
Good job. 1 plus 2 plus 3 equals 6. Whole answer, what is it?
15.
Great job. You guys are so smart. Let's see. What's this number?
0 plus 1. 670.
Plus?
170.
Do you want? Yeah, you got it. Good job. Okay. Ones place. What's my answer? 0 plus 1. What's my answer for the ones place? It's 1. 7 plus 7 for our 14. How am I going to write that?
4.
I'm going to put my 4 here.
1 is 10.
And I'm going to put the 1 right on top of the next door neighbor, which happens to be a 6. So it's going to look like this. Add up my hundreds place, please. 8. What's our whole? 41. Good job. Okay. Okay, our next one. 172 plus 129. 2 plus 9 is 11. How am I going to write that? Can I just write an 11? No, I'm going to put a 1 here. And another 1 on top of its neighbor. So it will look like this. Okay, add up my tens place for me. 1 plus 7 plus 2 equals 10. Uh-oh. Can I just write a 10 down here? No, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to put my 0 here and a 1 on top of my neighbor. So it looks like this. Good job. And if we add up our hundreds place, it equals 3. 301 is our whole answer. So sometimes if you have a problem like this, you just keep adding your 1 or whichever number it happens to be over to its neighbor, and you only write 1 digit at the bottom. So if you have to do it 2 times, don't worry, that's okay. Let's do one more. What's this number?
396.
396 plus?
477.
Plus 477. Add up my ones place, please.
13.
6 plus 7 is 13. Can I just write a 13?
3.
No, I'm going to write the 3. I'm going to put the 3 down here at the bottom and the 1 on top of its neighbor. Okay, add up my tens place for me. 1 plus 9 plus 7.
Equals 17.
It does equal 17. Can I just put 17?
No.
I'm going to put the 7 and the 1 from the 17 on top of its neighbor. 1 plus 3 plus 4 equals 8. Good job. What's my answer?
873.
Great job, friends. Okay. Okay, we're going to do a little practice of regrouping with addition with a little game. So I've got some flashcards with some random numbers, and I'm going to pass them out to students. You are going to find a partner for your match. Here's how it's going to work. Each student is going to look for a match of their partner that has a number that's less than 500, so it's smaller than 500, and a number that is more than 500, so a number that's bigger than 500, okay? So if I have this number,
652.
652, is that number bigger or smaller than 500? I need to look around and find a friend who has a number that is smaller than 500, okay? Could this number be my partner?
220.
Could this number be my partner?
Yeah.
Is this number smaller than 500? Yeah. My number is bigger than 500. This number is smaller than 500. The friend with this number could be my partner, okay? What if I'm looking around and I see a friend with this number?
766.
766. Is that bigger than 500 or smaller? It's bigger. Is my number bigger or smaller than 500? Than 500. My number is bigger than 500, right? So this partner, this friend cannot be my partner because these numbers are both bigger than 500. I need to find a partner with a number smaller than 500, okay? So if I look around and I see a friend holding 211, that friend could be my partner because I'm bigger than 500. My friend is smaller than 500, okay? So I'll help you out. But we're gonna match partners. Once you find a partner that can be your match, so one number higher than 500 and one number lower than 500. You're gonna come to the board, bring your numbers, and we're going to add them together and see if we need to use some regrouping, okay? So here we go. I'm gonna pass out the numbers. You're welcome. Okay, get ready. Everybody go. Find a match for your number. So find someone with a number bigger than 500 and one with a number lower than 500. Okay, so who's the partners? Find your partner. Okay, find a partner. Find a partner. You have a big number. You need someone with a smaller number. Pot and Pangpan are partners. Listen, listen. Listen, listen. They're partners because we have one number bigger than 500 and one number smaller than 500. So look around. Okay. Both of these numbers are bigger than 500. Hold on. Let me give you a problem. So you guys, you and Pot, you are partners. So you're going to write, what's your number? 220. Pot, what's your number? What's your number?
220.
What's your number?
766.
766. Okay, here you go, boys. You're gonna solve that. Solve that. All right, we've got one bigger and one smaller. Here we go. What's your number? 350. What's your number, Pro? What's your number? Okay, go grab a marker. Solve it. All right, we got that. Can you bring the eraser too? And the eraser? Can you bring the eraser? You can put it there. That's fine. Can you bring the eraser? Thank you. Okay. What's your number? 652. All righty. And what's your number? Okay, go grab a marker. Okay, girls, what do you have? 652 plus, what's your number?
328.
All right, 378. Okay, got a marker? Okay, let's get you a marker. All right. You want to use black? All right. Okay, so let's look at our ones place first. Look at our ones place first. All right. 986. I like it. Very good. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. We don't need to write our name. Okay. So let's see. 0 plus 6.
Equal 6.
2 plus 6.
Equal 8.
2 plus 7.
Equal 9.
Good job, my friends. You can erase.
All
right, let's check our answers. 0 plus 9.
Equal 8.
0 plus 9. 5 plus 3. What's 5 plus 3?
Equal 8.
And 3 plus 5.
Equal 8.
Great job. You can erase. You can erase. Great job. Wonderful job. 2 plus 8 is 10. We put our 0 and then our 1. Good job. So, yeah, 13.
เขียนอันนี้ก่อนนับก่อนนะนับก่อนพวกมันไม่ได้เล่นอย่างภาษีผู้เล่นอย่าง
And 1 plus 6 plus 3.
แน่ๆ10เขียนศูนย์แล้วก็ใส่1
Great job. Great job, my friends. That was a tricky one. I love it. Very good. So we have 1,030. Great job. That was the hardest one in our class so far. Okay, everybody put your eyes over here. Everybody look over here. Let's look at this problem. Everybody look over here. Everybody look over here. Look over here. Look at this problem. Look over here. We have 2 plus 8 is what? What's 2 plus 8? 10. So we put our 0 here, our 1 here. What's 1 plus 5 plus 7? 7. 13. So we put our 3 here, our 1 up here. Then we add up. No, it's 13. That's 13. Yep. 5 plus 7 is 12 plus 1. 13. Yeah. And right here we've got 1 plus 6 plus 3 equals 10. We're not adding anything else. So we've got 1,030. Great job, girls. High five. Boom. Thanks for joining us for our math lesson. Remember, when we are adding big numbers or even small numbers, we always start with our ones place. Always start with our ones place. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time for our next math lesson. Can everybody say goodbye? Goodbye. Good job, friends.